We have an El Niño in the process of developing. However, in the last month, it has stalled a bit. It's been in somewhat of a holding pattern where the sea surface temperature pattern is at the borderline level of a weak El Niño, and it has been that way for at least a month. The atmospheric patterns, however, are not presently indicative of El Niño. They're lagging behind the sea surface temperature. To have an establishment of an El Niño, even a weak one, we need to see indications in both the atmosphere and the ocean because it's a coupled phenomenon. Because of the lack of atmospheric participation currently, we do not think we have an El Niño established at this time. The forecasts do, however, continue to indicate the strengthening of El Niño conditions in the ocean and eventual participation of the atmosphere. By eventual, I mean in the next 1 to 3 months. Many El Niños develop in this way, where the atmosphere takes longer than the ocean to play ball. And so we're not at all giving up on the chance of El Niño happening this year. Our probabilities to have an El Niño established by the summer, by the June to August period, and July to September period is at least 60%, 60 to 65%. And to have one developed by the Northern Hemisphere autumn is around 80%. So we're still quite confident that it's going to happen. With the El Niño, we expect below normal rainfall is very likely in Indonesia and a little bit in the Sahel of Africa for the first season through September. Then getting on toward the fall and the winter, we're expecting above normal rainfalls in southeastern South America and above normal rainfall in the greater Horn of Africa, and below normal rainfall developing in the northern part of South America. In the United States, toward winter, we're expecting above normal precipitation in the southern tier of the United States.